Scheduling can be difficult, especially with so many moving parts. This flowchart shows just how complicated it can be to schedule a sports league season. That's a lot of stuff going on, but it's everything we need to take into consideration when scheduling a sports league season. So in this example, we are going to show an NHL league season. We have 7 different teams here, and we've pulled data from those 7 teams. We have finance, performance, media, stadium info, and with all these things, we calculated the team rating, and we can change this rival multiplier. So let's maybe change this to, let's do 1.5. And we're going to calculate our team rating. And you'll notice these values in this table change. So the green are the top 10%, and the red are the bottom 10%. And so we definitely want the greens to be together because those are going to be really good games, and we definitely want to schedule them at peak times, and that will be to get the most revenue. So we also go to game day info, and there can be a lot of moving parts in this. We could have concerts going on. So if we have a concert going on at the Pepsi Center, we could block that off, which we've done here. If we know that there's different things going on, maybe a basketball game's being played in the stadium and you can't use it for hockey, you can block it off. Let's see, you could also add teams. Like I said, your pre-decided games. So on March 17th, they're going to play the Dallas Stars. Nashville Predators will play the Dallas Stars. And so you can set these pre-decided games. This table is just pulled from that last page from the team rating. And so we're going to just go in and we're going to set our pre-decided games. And you'll notice that these become definite. So we blocked off and those became red. Colorado Avalanche game is here. Dallas Stars game is here. Perfect. We have different peak days, weekdays. So again, we want our top competitors to play against each other, our top rivals rather, to play against each other during peak days. Next, we're going to look at our schedule plan. So with all this information that we collected and gathered, we are going to optimize it so that we get the most ideal schedule plan where we're going to make a lot of money and we're going to have a great time with our fans. Like, they're going to love it. It's peak time. This is exactly what they wanted. So we're going to get our game plan. So we're going to hit get game plan. So it's optimized successfully. And so what Brücke is doing in this scenario is taking all this input that we gave it, talking to the decision optimization machine, and then pulling that info, that output back into a really pretty format. So it's not just kind of crazy as some decision optimization outputs can be. This is really nice. It's a quick little dashboard and you can see. And so home 1, away 1 matchup. So home 1, away 1. The greens match up, home 2, away 2, and you can just kind of go from there and see it. So I'm originally from Colorado, so let's look at Colorado Avalanche. And we're going to get their game plan. And it's optimized successfully. Perfect. All right. So this is what we have. It's really simple and easy to use, and we just put inputs into our team rating, our game day info, and our schedule plan. We can also get more insights from all this information. We can load our player data. We can see our attendance trend, our average attendance. We can see customer segmentation between male and female attendees. And then we can just get this social media word bank right here, this word cloud. And so if you needed, you could go back and change this calculation in the back end. So peak days, you could say you need at least 2 or at most 4, and you can change those. So you'll have the opportunity to go in and change those yourself so that you can optimize your game day schedule. And that's how Brücke can optimize sports league schedules.